Creating a motorized power steering mechanism project involves several steps, including designing the system, assembling components, programming, and testing. Here's a general outline of the process. Materials and components needed. 1. Stepper motor or DC motor with suitable power rating. 2. Motor driver, H-bridge, or motor controller. 3. Microcontroller, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. 4. Power supply, battery or external power source. 5. Steering wheel, can be a scaled-down model or a real steering wheel. 6. Pulleys, belts, gears, for translating motor motion to steering wheel motion. 7. Sensors, optional, for feedback and control. 8. Mounting hardware and mechanical components. 9. Wiring and connectors. 10. Tools, screwdrivers, pliers, soldering iron, etc. Steps. Design and planning. 1. Determine the type of motor you'll use, stepper or DC, based on the required torque and speed. 2. Choose a suitable microcontroller and motor driver. 3. Design the mechanical linkage between the motor and the steering wheel. 3. This could involve pulleys, belts, gears, or a direct connection. 4. Decide if you want to incorporate sensors for feedback and control, such as a position sensor to determine the steering wheel angle. Assembly. 1. Build the mechanical linkage between the motor and the steering wheel. 2. Mount the motor securely to the chassis or base of your project. 3. Connect the motor driver to the motor and the microcontroller. 4. Connect any sensors you plan to use. 5. Assemble the power supply. Programming. 1. Write the software code for your microcontroller to control the motor. 2. Implement a control algorithm to translate desired steering angles into motor movements. 3. If using sensors, incorporate their feedback into the control algorithm. 4. Make sure to include safety mechanisms, such as limits on steering angle or current monitoring. Testing and calibration. 1. Upload the code to your microcontroller and test the system with minimal load, without a person holding the steering wheel. 2. Calibrate the system to ensure accurate and smooth steering response. 3. Gradually increase the load on the steering wheel and test different scenarios. Fine-tuning. 1. Refine your control algorithm to ensure optimal performance, responsiveness, and stability. 2. Address any issues like overshooting, oscillations, or noise. Safety measures. 1. Implement safety features to prevent overloading the motor or damaging the mechanism. 2. Include emergency stop functionality. Documentation. 1. Create documentation that explains the purpose, design, assembly instructions, and operation of your motorized power steering mechanism. Presentation. 1. If this is a project for a class or presentation, prepare a clear and concise presentation to showcase your project, its components, and how it works. Remember that this is a simplified overview, and the complexity of your project can vary depending on the level of detail you want to achieve. Be patient and iterative in your approach, and don't hesitate to seek help from online resources, forums, or experienced individuals if you encounter challenges along the way.